Cash Giraffe does not have one guaranteed time that gives every player more coins because earnings depend on the offers, games, and activities available in the app. By the end, you'll know how to choose better playing times, what affects coin earning speed, and how to avoid wasting time on activities that give poor results. The best time to earn coins on Cash Giraffe is usually when new offers or higher value activities are available inside the app. Open the app regularly and check the available options before spending time on a game or task. The first thing to check is the offer list. Cash Giraffe changes the games and activities shown to users, so an activity that works well for one person may not be the best option later. Compare the available choices and focus on the ones that match your playing style. Another factor is your own schedule. A good earning session is one where you can complete tasks without interruptions. If you start a game or offer, make sure you have enough time to follow the required steps instead of stopping halfway. You should also avoid opening the app only to collect random rewards without checking what activities are currently available. The main goal is to spend your time on tasks that move you closer to rewards. If you notice that a game is taking too long without showing progress, switch back to the offer section and review other options. Different games can have different requirements, and some may fit your available time better. For better results, create a simple routine. Check Cash Giraffe when you have free time, review the current offers, choose one activity, and track which options work best for you. This helps you understand which tasks are worth your attention. Remember that Cash Giraffe rewards depend on completing eligible activities, not just keeping the app open. The app itself does not guarantee a specific amount of coins at a specific time. The key points are simple. Check current offers before playing, choose activities that fit your schedule, and stop spending time on tasks that are not giving you progress. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe and compare the available offers before starting your next session. If this helped you understand how to find better earning opportunities on Cash Giraffe, like the video and subscribe for more app guides.